Hello everyone. Today we'll be doing the unboxing of our SONOS Move and I'll be showing you all the contents of the packaging as well as some information about the product itself. I've had the SONOS system for about 2 to 2.5 years now, and I've really enjoyed it. So the Sonos Move was a big departure from what Sonos originally said about Bluetooth, about portability. It actually made a marketing campaign about how bad Bluetooth was when compared to Wi-Fi speakers. So it's quite funny that they suddenly came back from that and that they're now actually releasing a Bluetooth speaker, which luckily is actually usable with your Wi-Fi. So let's look into it and look what is in the packaging. As I said before, I'm actually planning to make videos comparing the Sonos Move to the Sonos Play 5 and the Sonos One. These will be following shortly, but this video is mostly about just testing out the Sonos Move and just looking at how the product looks. First of all, which we have in the packaging is a welcome booklet. So this is just standard information, which you don't really need if you know anything about Sonos. It's really just a quick startup guide. The packaging is actually quite empty quite quickly. We had Sonos Move in this kind of pouch, and we also have our charging cradle, which I think is pretty neat, considering that most Bluetooth portable speakers actually just have some cable which goes into the back of a speaker. So it's not really easy to store to display the speaker when it's not in use for portable uses. With the Sonos Move, this is obviously different, seeing as this charging cradle, which you can see here, actually makes it able to put the speaker in a certain place and just pick it up whenever you want to use it. Looking at this packaging, it's not really easy to open, from which I can tell, but I will try anyway. So let's get this out of the way. For some reason the packaging is really tight on it. It's just a matter of loosening it up. Doesn't seem to be getting loose really easily. So let's just see how this goes. I figured it out already. So here you have charging cradle, which goes on your table or the place where you want to put the speaker, as you can see here. Next up we have the speaker itself, which comes in this fabric. I have to say it's actually quite heavy. I really didn't expect it to be this heavy, to be honest. But it seems to be quite a heavy speaker. Even much heavier than the Play 1 actually. So here we're just opening the speaker up. You can really tell quite easily that it's quite a big speaker. I wouldn't say that it's as heavy as a Play 5, but it comes really close. So in the back we have our Bluetooth button, I guess, and a button for linking it up, and the on-off button. Let's just give it a quick startup. So as you can see, you can put it in the cradle here, and just like that, it could be displayed anywhere in your house. And to start it up, we'll be turning it around and we'll be pushing the start button, which for now doesn't do much. I'm assuming it isn't charged. Yeah, it's dead. Actually thought we could do a sound test quickly, but it seems to be doesn't seem to be charged at the moment. So yeah, that isn't very handy. Most Bluetooth speakers do have some kind of charge in them, but this one apparently doesn't. So yeah, that was my quick unboxing for now. I'll be doing a sound test versus the Play 5 and the SONOS One soon, maybe even later today. But for now, this is the SONOS Move. Overall, it looks quite nice. It's a pretty hefty speaker, the first portable Bluetooth speaker from Sonos. It has this easy carrying handle on the back, because if it didn't, I really wouldn't know how to pick up the speaker all the time. You would really have to pick it up like this, and yeah, seeing as some drop tests of the speaker show that the grill can be dented quite easily, I would really be careful with how you pick the speaker up, because they're saying it's able to withstand the fall from like 30 centimeters or something. But yeah, if it falls here or somewhere around this, it will dent even with small drops, and only the base here, which is made of some kind of hard rubber, is able to withstand the impact from dropping it. So yeah, I should in general really be careful with the speaker. If you have some kind of backpack, it is actually possible to put it inside. It isn't that big, you know, it's bigger than a Play 1. Just for comparison's sake, I'll just get my Sonos One to just compare to. One moment. So here we have my Sonos One when compared to the new Sonos Move, and you can clearly see a huge size difference between the Sonos One and the Sonos Move. The Sonos One is, yeah, in terms of width, they're quite the same. In terms of size, yeah, they are actually, well, you can say that the Sonos One is just, it's yeah, about half the size, I would assume, of the Sonos Move. I'm not sure if this will really mean a difference in sound quality, but from what I've heard, the Sonos Move should sound a lot clearer, a lot better than the Sonos One. But how it will compare to the Sonos One and the Play 5, you'll probably be finding it out on my channel in either today or within a couple of days. But so far, this was my unboxing of the Sonos Move, the first portable Bluetooth speaker from Sonos. And I hope you've enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for my next videos, obviously featuring the sound comparisons between this speaker, the Sonos One, and the Play 5. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next videos.